Following the success of the original DJI OSMO Mobile, they've gone and released a new one. Today we'll look at how this can help make your footage look more cinematic. Riding on the reputation of the original, the sequel is lighter and a little bit shorter. It's now got a bum hole for you to mount onto a tripod, and the battery life has improved. The gimbal retails for around $129, which means that it's significantly cheaper than the original. Also, its lightweight body encourages you to take it everywhere. And much like the original, when you utilize it with the somewhat buggy but ultimately useful DJI Go app, there's a lot of features on offer here. So the gimbal features the same impressive stability as the first one, which means that you can get some really sexy Steadicam type shots, or if you're going really slow, you can make some dolly type shots. The trick to nailing the dolly shot here is to practice a slow arm extension. Whilst you may opt to step forward instead, you risk creating bobbing movements that will ruin the effect. So this bridge is a perfect example of how we can utilize the gimbal to make a Steadicam type shot. What we're going to do is we're going to run through and try and capture each corner using the stability of the Osmo Mobile. So get ourselves on record and then we're off. So now, using this long corridor, we're going to create what's known as the parallax effect. And I'm going to show you how, using the gimbal, you can get some really cool results. To recreate this cool parallax effect, you'll want to utilize the zoom function on the gimbal. Find a location where the effect can be more pronounced, like a long corridor, then zoom right into the end. Thereafter, start walking forward while zooming backwards on the gimbal. So now I'm going to show you how you can use your gimbal to do some cool crane style shots. A crane shot can be replicated by keeping your arms locked and letting the rest of your body do the moving. In this occasion, I locked my arms and used my hips to create the motion. One of the main selling points of this gimbal is that you get this portrait mode, which is fantastic for all your social medias. Now you can do your Snapchats and your Instagram stories in portrait mode with your gimbal. Amazing! Hey guys! Yeah, look at, I'm in this wonderful serene place, which is perfect because I've just had my first man period. That's right, Google it, it's a thing. The gimbal also features this amazing time-lapse mode that, when combined with the app, you can set several points in which the gimbal will move by itself, so you have a moving time-lapse. Time-lapse and hyperlapse options are available, and with the automated movement, you can get some really interesting results. When the power runs low on your handset, the gimbal's handy USB port will provide some light relief, though I found that on some occasions, the charge just wasn't enough to combat the thirst of 4K recording. DJI's subject tracking will also serve as an excellent asset for vloggers, so now you can prance around and the camera will intelligently follow you. But try not to make too many wild movements, as the camera may struggle to keep up. Slow motion is also available here, but you'd be better off using something like Filmic Pro for your slow motion needs. But sequels are hard.
They evoke feelings of nostalgia and are often worse than the originals. Just look at Piranha 3DD, for example. This may be the case here, as owners of the previous model may be hit with nostalgia over certain changes.
The first thing one notices is the colour change. Gone is the sleek black, and what we're left with is this drab grey. The gimbal is made of this high composite material, which is just a fancy way of saying plastic. The battery is now locked inside and is non-removable or changeable. The locking mechanism has changed also for your phone. Gone are the days of the screw and clamp, but now it's this, which is a bit of a kerfuffle to put your phone in, but had to be done to accommodate the portrait mode. The trigger button has also been replaced. Everything is now done on this front M button. And one will also notice that the grippy material has disappeared. So you best grip tight on this because it's now as slippy as a prison soap bar. All in all, it's a very enticing mobile phone gimbal at $129. What you're getting is a very reliable brand and an excellent stabilization system, as well as a host of full features from the mobile phone app. It's clearly aimed at combating the droves of cheaper gimbals from the competition. However, it's starting to look and feel a bit like a cheap knockoff of them.